Unlock the power to profit from falling prices by mastering short selling on Tradingview. First, let's find a potential short candidate on Tradingview. Use the search bar to enter a stock, currency pair, or commodity you believe will decrease in value. Once you've selected an asset, analyze its chart, examine different timeframes to understand the broader trend. Look for clear bearish signals like descending trend lines or common bearish candlestick patterns, such as engulfing patterns or shooting stars. Next, let's incorporate technical indicators to strengthen our conviction. Add indicators like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. A high RSI reading, typically above 70, can signal that an asset is overbought and potentially due for a decline. Another valuable indicator is the Moving Average Convergence-Divergence, or MACD. Look for a bearish crossover, where the MACD line crosses below the signal line, further confirming a potential downward move. Utilize Tradingview's drawing tools to mark crucial levels. Draw resistance lines where price has historically struggled to break higher, or support levels that, if broken, could accelerate a downtrend. With your analysis complete, it's time to set up your short position. Place a sell limit or sell stop order at a price validated by your resistance levels or bearish signals. Crucially, always set a stop-loss order above your entry point to limit potential losses if the market moves against you. By combining chart patterns, key indicators, and strategic order placement, you can effectively utilize Tradingview to identify and execute informed short-selling opportunities across various markets.